Hello all. This is your English teacher Mrs. Shanti of KV Ashoknagar. Today we are going to read the last and final lesson from class 10 English reader, First Footprints Without Feet. The title of the play is The Book That Saved the Earth, written by Claire Baiko. Claire Baiko is known as the published author of children's books. Some of the published credits of Claire Baiko include Children's Plays for Creative Actors, a collection of royalty-free plays for boys and girls, and many more. She is a figure all over the world. She was a part-time resident of New Paltz. She liked to sing spontaneously, and her last song was the Canadian national anthem, though she was not a Canadian. Claire gave her entire life to her passion for literature in her career as a children's playwright. Before we go through the summary of the play, let me ask you a few questions. Mother Goose is a well-known book of nursery rhymes in English. Do you think such a book can save planet Earth from a Martian invasion? The aliens in this play speak English. Do you think this is their language? What could be the language of the aliens? Do you think books are being replaced by the electronic media? Can we do away with books altogether? The discussion in your class will help you to understand the play better. The play, The Book That Saved the Earth, is full of imagination. In it, the different characters like Think Tank, Noodle, Oop, Omega, etc. play as the Martian living beings. The time set of the play is 25th century. The play tells us in detail as how the book successfully saved the Earth from Martian invasion. The characters in the play are Historian, Lieutenant Iota, Great and Mighty Think Tank, Sergeant Oop, Apprentice Noodle, and Captain Omega. Now, summary of the play. This drama is set in 25th century. A historian in the museum is telling the story about 20th century, the century of the books. He tells how a book saved the Earth from Martian invasion. The invaders from Mars consider themselves too intelligent for the Earthlings. They think they are superior race than the inhabitants of the Earth. There is a megalomaniac commander who commands the team of the invader. Various members from the invaders' team enter a library. They are unable to identify what a book is. They make several wild guesses and finally arrive at the conclusion that it must be a communication device for the Earthlings. They try to decode what is written in the book. The book is full of nursery rhymes. Their encoding tells them that Earthlings must have been on a mission to attack the Mars. Fearing that, they immediately leave the Earth and fly away to the distant Alpha Centauri. There are a few highlights of the story which has been pictorially depicted. You may refer to it. This could help you to solve the 2 marks question. We move on to the theme of the play. The play, The Book That Saved the Earth, is based on the theme that half-fed knowledge is always dangerous. It also tells how an old book of rhymes, Mother Goose, saved the world from Martian invasion. The play is set in the 25th century. His misinterpretation of the rhymes of Mother Goose belie all the tall claims. The story justifies the title to a great extent, as it was the rhymes book that actually saved Earth from the attack of Think Tank. A few quotes have been compiled here for your quick reference to solve, which will help you to solve the value-based questions. Further, it is followed by short answer-type questions. And finally, you may also refer to the Diksha app for an elaborate question and answers, MCQs, and value-based question. Thank you.